Welcome to the exploration of recurrent neural networks, the masters of sequence processing in the world of artificial intelligence. RNNs are a special kind of neural networks, specialized in processing sequences like language, text, or time series. Unlike traditional neural networks, RNNs can use information from previous steps to influence decisions in the current step. RNNs are used in many areas, from speech recognition to predicting stock prices. RNNs face challenges like the vanishing gradient problem, but advancements like LSTM networks offer solutions. The future looks promising as RNNs become more sophisticated and take on complex sequence processing tasks. Recurrent neural networks offer a fascinating insight into machine processing of sequences. Their possibilities are as diverse as the sequences they process.